Hello, this is Seth for Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at a 2017 Ram 3500 SLT. Under the hood we have a 6.7 liter i6 Cummins turbo diesel engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. I apologize about the wind, but it's a little snowy out here. It is in the bright white and it looks great. We do have that chrome accenting on the grille up here, as well as some tow hooks and the chrome bumper. If you do need to pull someone out, you do got those tow hooks there. You do got halogen quad headlamps, very bright as well. And coming around the side here, we do have 18-inch rims with our tires here, and they look great. Tons of tread still left on them, and those rims look awesome. And they are in chrome with the Ram logo as well. You do have heated exterior tow mirrors hanging out right here. And of course, with the tow mirrors, you can just push them up just like that, and they sit like that, and you can see very far back, which is very nice as well. Now, let's come around the back. It does have a massive 8-foot box on it. Looks great. You got the SLT logo there, the Ram logo, and the 4x4 logo, plus your backup cameras hanging out just under here. Now, you can open this guy up. It does have the box liner on it, so it won't be getting all scratched up, and there's tons of room back here to haul whatever you might need to. Okay, we got our keys here. We got 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and we do got our panic button up there. But let's unlock and jump on in. Now on the door here, we do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all hanging out here. Chrome accenting on the handle. You got another handle here with the Ram logo. You have some space here for storage and some more down here with water bottle holder. And we do have our controls over our electric seats here, so backward and forward, our lumbar support and our tilt there. And then we also have the controls over our lights. So we got our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams all there. As well, you do have the controls over your windshield wipers and turn signals here. Okay, in the vehicle now, let's start her up. Key in the ignition. And we are good to go. Now in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as we have our fuel gauge. And we also, in the center there, have which way we're facing. We have how many kilometers it's been, which is only 18,000. That is not very many at all. Has the temperature outside, and then you can change that all up, so you can change it to your vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A, trip B. You have your trailer tow, your messages, your screen setup, and then you can turn the menu off if it is bright or distracting to you. You can control that all from right here at your steering wheel, as well as you have your voice recognition, your call out button for your Bluetooth. You got your horn in the middle and your cruise control options on the other side. You got your gear shift here, just like that. When you are in reverse, you do have that very nice backup camera, and it does turn with you, which is very nice, tells you where you're going. You do have a 5-inch touchscreen display here, so you have AM, FM, and Sirius XM all hanging out right there. As well, you got your media tab if you have something hooked up through there, if you do have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. You also have your phone you can hook up through Bluetooth, your compass, your settings, and your more options right there. Down here you do have your volume up and down, as well as your mute. And you also have your screen off, you have your back button, and your browser and tuner. You got your controls over your 2-wheel, your 4-wheel lock, and your 4-wheel low. And then over here we do have our climate control, so you do have your hazard lights, you have your power, your circulation, your AC, and your heat. As well, you do have where it's going to blow out of, plus your defrost here. Trailer brake here, you have your traction control, your tow and haul, your exhaust brake, and your park assist right there. And then you also have a plug-in just over here. In the center we do have 3 cup holders, as well as our armrest, which doubles as a storage container. Some coin holders in there. As well, you do have an aux cord and a USB plug-in over there. Close that guy up, open this up. You do have another seat on there, it's seat 6 altogether. There's a handle just under here. You have a secret little compartment down there as well, if you need to put something and keep it out of the way. Over here you also have a dual layer glove box, and you do got your owner's manual just in there, read up on the vehicle. Then you also have the controls over the little window in the back. You can open it up with this guy right here. Okay, let's check out the back here. Open this guy up. On the door we do have a little bit of that chrome accenting as well. You got your controls over your windows. You got some storage here and some more down here. It is the same material back here as it is in the front. Very soft, and you can take this and pull it down just like that. You got an armrest with some cup holders there. You can also lift this up just like this, and you do have some storage just underneath there. There's a bit of a larger one on the other side as well. Then you can do this and fold it down, and you do have a flat surface right on top here that you can also put stuff on. You can also use this guy as additional storage right under there. And there's our 6.7 liter i6 Cummins turbo diesel engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2017 Ram 3500 SLT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.